Building up to 7.7 million pounds of thrust.
It wasn't long ago that the nation stood still to watch NASA send humans into the vast and still very unknown outer limits of our imagination. But today, the force that was NASA's spaceflight is dwindling.
Today, if you want to see humans launched into space, you have two choices, Russia or China.
John Tilko is a founding member of Aurora Spaceflight Sciences. The private aeronautical manufacturing company located in Cambridge takes on contracts with NASA to develop new technologies for space exploration. Despite the company's private sector status, Tilko believes innovation is a product of funding by NASA through a market of spaceflight. Without it, he says, even the most creative ideas will eventually fall short.
This idea that you can have a commercial spacecraft that somebody like SpaceX builds, yes, you can. I mean, there are many people. Boeing is interested, Lockheed is interested, but they need funding from NASA to be able to do that. They can't raise the money privately.
In 2011, President Obama reassured the industry of his commitment to space exploration.
We didn't just maintain a freeze, but we actually increased funding by $6 billion.
But inside the Ryan budget proposal for the 2013 financial year, it's clear that the Mars exploration program and other programs like this will be cut by $309 million. For many, this is a grounding sentence.
NASA's trying to keep these centers alive, so a lot of the more innovative things like spheres tend to be handicapped because there's not enough money to do innovation. They're spending most of their money just to keep people employed. I was 12 years old when they landed on the moon. It was an incredible time to see that exploration that we really haven't seen since then.
The problems with NASA seem to be highlighted by the end of the Space Shuttle missions, a nostalgic and disappointing time for many who worked and paid attention like John Tilko. But across the river, a younger generation looks forward to a new market.
I think it's good. I think it's a very good thing.
Kevin Sigorski is a senior studying mechanical and aerospace engineering at Boston University.
It was basically a taxi to low Earth orbit. And in that time, we could have been exploring the moon more. We could have been going to Mars and to asteroids and to other places. This is the best time to be someone wanting to get involved in the space industry in the entire history of space exploration. Now that companies are seeing that they can make money off of getting into space and doing things in space, I think that it's going to be a boon to the space industry.
But will these private companies be as successful as a federally funded space program?
We'll see if those actually come to fruition. It's taken a lot longer. They're getting funded at a lower level than anyone expected.
In 1 week, SpaceX will make the first private unmanned shuttle launch to the International Space Station. If all goes well and continues to go well, we may just be able to hold on hope for future space exploration. As Buzz Lightyear always said, to infinity and beyond. In Boston, I'm Mia Greenberg.